What's up and welcome to Gift Mukumbi BSN. So today we're going to talk about product ideas in 2022, how to tap the best sellers list. With an array of products on the market, it can be hard to know where to find solid product ideas that customers actually want to buy. Here, you'll learn how to tap the Amazon best sellers list and put your own unique spin on products that are high in demand. We'll also walk you through how to get started with the idea and drive online sales in 2022. Selling online continues to be profitable. Between August 2020 and August 2021, that being a year, Amazon sellers in the US sold more than 3.8 billion products. That's $7,400 every minute, and averaged about 200,000 in dollars, $200,000 sales, up year over year from about 170,000. 2021 SMB report, but how to choose what to sell. With the sheer amount of products out there, it can be a tough call. Here, we'll show you how to dig into the Amazon's best sellers list to find product ideas. We'll also walk you through some of the basics on how to get started with your idea and fuel online sales in 2022. 3 steps to discover products. Number 1, dig into the best sellers list. Test the waters with Amazon best sellers list to see if your idea has potential. The best sellers list shows the 100 most popular products in the Amazon products based on sales and is updated hourly. The list shows what people are buying and can aid your product research. Look for each product's best sellers list rank. Look for best sellers rank BSR to gauge demand for a given product. To research manually in all departments, type products keywords in the Amazon search bar to get page 1 analysis or page 1 results. A good starting point can be to look in the products listings, product information section, find the product BSR and take detailed notes. Explore product categories and subcategories. To do a deep dive into the best-selling categories to identify up and coming products, spot opportunities, and analyze patterns in a niche that interests you. For example, you may start with the kitchen and dining category, refine to storage and organization items, then narrow it down further to travel and to go containers. Unlock selling opportunities with the product with a variety of Amazon programs. Play to your strengths and develop your selling strategy with a variety of programs made to support your business model. Protect your brand and unlock a suite of brand building tools with a brand registry. Sell handcrafted goods with Amazon Handmade. Offer customizable products with Amazon Custom. Earn network royalties with Match by Amazon. Sell pre-owned products with Amazon Renewed. Explore these and more add-on options as you find your niche. You can also mix and match programs to grow sales and reach more customers. Step 2. Zero in on the products you want to specialize in. There are a lot of products out there. Which ones can be most profitable with for your e-commerce business. Give yourself time to explore and try a variety of programs or methods. Keep an eye on movers and shakers. Updated hourly. The Amazon movers and shakers list shows the biggest gains in sales rank over the last 24 hours. Click on any category in the list and you can discover the top 100 trending product performers. Number 2, how much the sales rank has increased. Number 3, previous rankings for products. Number 4, number of reviews and stars. Number 5, pricing range. Watch hot new releases. Do you have an idea for a new product? Check out hourly updates on the Amazon hot new releases to research how similar products are performing and get a sense of what type of market may be out there for your idea. Step 3, find ways to put your own spin on the trending products. When you have your eye on a specific product, category, or type of product, ask yourself whether you can improve on what's already selling well or offer something better. Try these tactics. Number 1, look for higher demand, lower competition products. You may see products in high demand, but what's the competition like? The number of reviews can give you an idea. Generally, high demand products with a lower number of reviews indicate lower competition, with an opportunity for you to jump in. Use product reviews to guide product improvement. Browse product reviews to get a sense of customer feedback. Write down the pros and cons and look for areas where you can exceed customer expectations by offering something different to meet buyers' needs. Get creative. Is there something you can do to make a trending product unique? Can the product be sold all year? Could you launch a product of a better quality? Seller tip. Want a window into what customers are looking for right now? Head to the Amazon most wished for list. How to get started with the idea. Even the best ideas, product ideas, won't sell successfully online if you run into issues. Procuring the products, listing them online, or getting them to customers. If you're just starting out in e-commerce, be sure to research affordability and customer demand. Choose products that are easier to package and ship. Consider products with a long shelf life. Think about branding potential. Avoid products on the restricted product listing. Before you decide on products to sell, there are several factors you will want to take into consideration. Focus on three key areas in particular: procurement, fulfillment, and list products. Procurement: source your products. Okay? Procurement sources your products. After you've narrowed down what you want to sell, the next step is to figure out how you source your products. As an e-commerce seller, you have several options. Will you resell existing products, or maybe you plan to create or build products of your own? Another option is to work with a manufacturer to make products according to your specifications or produce branded items. Different procurement methods come along with consideration of their own. Learn about some of the ins and outs with our e-commerce business guide. fulfillment. Consider your shopping options. How will customers get their orders? Amazon sellers have several options for fulfillment, including merchant fulfillment, MFM or FBM, fulfillment by merchants. With this fulfillment method, the seller maintains inventory packs and ships orders to customers. Fulfillment by Amazon FBA. Amazon sellers have the ability to send products to Amazon fulfillment centers where we pick, pack, and ship them and provide customer service for those products. With FBA, you can take advantage of specialized services like FBA Small and Light, FBA Subscribe and Save, FBA Pan EU, FBA Export, or multi-channel fulfillment. Seller Fulfillment Prime, SFP. This Prime program allows Amazon sellers to deliver directly to domestic Prime customers. You can use your own warehouse while earning the Prime badge to increase product visibility. SFP comes along with guaranteed delivery, date messaging, and other perks. See how to qualify and get started in 5 steps. Okay, that was all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And thank you for sticking to this end. I appreciate it. It's not in vain.